Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn lion in Gond art style. हम शेर बनाएंगे गोंद आर्ट के स्टाइल में. इसके लिए हमको पेपर चाहिए. We need either A4 size sheet or any canvas or any board. I'm doing on the MDF board. We need pencil, eraser. We need various colors, acrylic or any other material, whatever you want to use, and we need brushes. So let's start. Because it's a dark surface, so I will draw with white pen so that you all can see. So first we will make the face. Face is oval, flat on the top. It's just symbolic because they are villagers and whatever they imagine, they draw that. Then draw a dotted line here and draw two eyes, slanting. Inside the eyes, show two circles. Then bring one curve here, and show symbolic nose. After this, start drawing the body of the lion. It's a different method. We are not drawing like normal lion. It's almost like a U. And here we'll show the turning of this feet. Draw a line here so that all the 4 feet will come on the same level. So one curve here and 1, 2, 3. Then second feet here, then third feet here and fourth feet. Then we'll show the curve in the body of the lion. This lion is in the sitting position. Now, to show the hair around the face of the lion, they have a very different method. They show long petal type thing to show the hair around the lion's face. So these are just symbolic lines. Now we will divide the body of this into different parts. That's the normal method. And this side we will divide in different shape. Lines will be different so that we can differentiate. Okay, then again here next I'm going to use this yellow color for the face. Normally in Gond art, background is not given. It's made on the white wall, which is coated with calcium or chuna. They prefer to fill different colors even in the feet. I'm giving same color combination in all the 4 feet. But if you want, you can change it. Now next set of colors. With the yellow I'm going to take green. So this is the parrot green. Wherever yellow is there, the combination along with this I'm giving green. Now we'll select 2 different colors for this area. So one is light blue. Let me try orange color. I'm using pink color. This is green. have mixed thick white and orange, and I'm going to give second coat with that color. In between, whatever place is left, maroon color is visible, we'll fill white color. So our basic drawing work is over, filling of colors is over, and now all is just black color work, which will be very simple. We'll draw dashes everywhere, black outline and dashes. Here long line, here vertical dashes. Along with dashes, if we want, we can draw some circles also. We can draw some dots also. Dots are allowed in this art. I'll show you what I mean by dots and dashes combination here in between. Then again outline with black. So our design will go like this, and here we'll draw the eyes. Tail will come here. We can also show the grass around it. The Gonds are the largest Adivasi community in India and are said to be Dravidians whose origin can be traced to the pre-Aryan era. They are mainly found in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and its surrounding states. Jangra Singh Shyam is the first Gond artist to use paper and canvas for his art. Gond paintings are paintings done by the Gond tribe from these states. They use dots and small lines to fill the space. As they live in jungles, the subjects of paintings are animals, trees, their gods, etc. They use colors prepared from vegetables and flowers. Traditionally, the Gond paintings were done on mud walls with colors extracted from natural materials like soil, charcoal, cow dung, and leaves. The designs are based on the rituals and traditions practiced by the community. Nature is a dominant theme as Gonds inhabited forests for centuries. They live mostly in jungles and they paint what they see from their eyes. There is no cultural uniformity among the Gond, although the religion of all Gond people centers in the cult of clan and village deities, together with ancestor worship. Local Rajas, linked by the ties of blood or marriage to a royal house, exercise authority over groups of villages. Aside from the fortified seats of Rajas, settlements were formerly of little cultivation, even though practiced with plows and oxen, involved frequent shifting of fields and clearing of new tracts of forest lands. Gond paintings can be described as on line work. Art is created but of carefully drawn lines. Lines are used in such a way to convey a sense of movement
to still images. Dots and dashes are added to impart a greater sense of movement and increase the amount of detail. The yellow color is usually taken from chewy mitti, black is taken from charcoal, brown is normally taken from cow dung, green is taken from the leaves, pink is taken from the flowers, tesu flowers, geru mitti is used very often, which is another type of sand. Red color is taken from hibiscus flower. The common theme in these paintings are vibrant depictions of local flora, fauna, and gods like Mara Devi and Phulwari Devi. Phulwari Devi is the other name for goddess Kali. Traditionally, these paintings were made on festive occasions. It was created by putting dots and lines together. The paintings are, in fact, an offering in the worship of nature and are also a mode of seeking protection and warding off evil. Everything about the painting is holy and connected with nature. Each painting has a story to tell, and every artist has its own personal style.
Our painting is complete. I hope you like the tutorial. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaste.